The Commowner 4000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer offers a powerful cleaning solution with its impressive 4,000 pounds per square inch of water pressure and 2.8 gallons per minute flow rate. This model includes a 33-foot high-pressure hose, significantly reducing the need to move the unit frequently and preventing it from tipping over. It comes with 4 universal quick-connect nozzles that cater to various cleaning needs, from high-pressure tasks to gentle washes, making it highly versatile. The integrated total stop system conserves energy and prolongs the washer's lifespan by automatically shutting off the pump when not in use. And the ground fault circuit interrupter in the power cord ensures user safety. Designed for ease of use, this pressure washer assembles quickly and is suitable for both homeowners and professionals, allowing you to start cleaning with minimal hassle. An added feature is its capability to draw water from a container if a water tap is not available, making it convenient for different cleaning scenarios.